Hey y'all, today we're whipping up some homemade 10-minute air fryer pizzas. With my oven still on the fritz, I've had to get a little creative, but these air fryer pizzas are just the ticket, so let's get cooking. So the night I plan on having pizza, I like to start this dough the morning of. So I'm going to take a cup and 2 tablespoons of warm water and then add a package of dry yeast or 2 1/4 teaspoons. This is the Pioneer Woman's Basic Dough recipe, which I'll leave linked in the description below. You're going to take 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, and then you're going to put some salt in there. It says kosher salt, but I use red salt because that's what I have. Then I'm going to use my dough hook to incorporate those two together. While it's mixing, I'm going to add in my yeast mixture, which I let set for about 10 minutes till it got some bubbles or a foamy head. Then I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil while that's going, and I'm going to let it go on low, stirring it for a good while until they don't stick to the sides. This could take about 10 minutes, but I always take mine out and knead it until it bounces back and I know it's ready to rise. You're going to grease your bowl and then put your dough in there and cover it and let it rise for about an hour to an hour and a half until it's doubled in size. Once that's doubled in size, you're going to punch it down, reshape it, and let it rise again. Now, what you should do is take it and then put it in some plastic wrap or cover it with a lid and put it in your fridge. Let it sit for about an hour. I did not do that. I just divide it up. Then I cut the 2 halves into 3. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I cut it in half and then I cut each half into 3 little triangles. Then I'm going to take it and roll it out into a little pizza dough, and I'm using my daughter's little rolling pin because I found it to be perfect and it kind of made a little crust edge. Then I'm going to put it on some parchment paper. It is so hard to roll it on this, or I would suggest doing that, but I could not get it to stay still. Then I'm going to go with my hand around it and make it into a circular shape just so it's a little prettier. Then you're going to take that, put it into a preheated 400-degree air fryer and air fry it for 8 minutes. While that's going, I'm going to make some garlic butter. I just put 1/4 stick of butter, about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of garlic salt, and then a teaspoon of parsley. Mix it up and have it ready. Once that crust is done for 8 minutes, I'm going to top it with some Rao's pizza sauce. That is my preferred. Some mozzarella. Now you can do whatever toppings you want. I did red onions, bell peppers, mushrooms for a supreme with pepperoni and sausage. I did mozzarella and basil for me because that's my favorite, but feel free to do anything. Just cheese, pineapple, which doesn't belong on pizza, but that's fine. Then you're going to take your garlic butter and go around the edges, and you're going to pop it back into your air fryer for 2 minutes or until it's bubbly. There you have it, some delicious homemade air fryer pizzas. My kids like this better than takeout pizza, which we normally get, which that was nice to hear. And they want me to make it like this every time I make pizza now. So I am. I hope y'all enjoy. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.